Hello YouTube, are you in for a treat today? Today I have a 1998 Jaguar XKR. This is the 4-litre V8 supercharged in this stunning red colour convertible with cream leather seats. So I'll just give you a walk around first so you can have a look at it. And here in the UK we've got this stunning summer evening weather as well, so it's perfect weather conditions for it. Okay, so let's open the door and have a look inside. Now, if you've watched my channel, you'll know that Jaguars feature quite prominently on my channel. I've actually just finished filming an XJ40 Gold Edition yesterday, and got this one today. So have a look at the playlist and you can see all the Jaguar reviews there. So as with all Jaguars, they have this kick plate, XKR, denoting that it's supercharged. Now, this is the first time I've seen the handbrake there. And we've got the leather seats here. And then let's sit in and see what it's like from inside. So, first of all, you're greeted with this lovely dash. Now, did you know that the dash was inspired by the Spitfire? So it actually looks like a Spitfire wing. When we look at the instrument cluster, they're like recessed here. So this is like it's a privilege that only the driver can see. Now look at this here. This is where the magic is. Supercharged, because this is indeed the supercharged model. Speedometer and fuel gauge and temperature gauge. So that's so it goes in like the other Jags. It goes up in thousands. So it redlines at 6,000. We've got the air vents there, and then we've got the oil pressure, the battery voltage, and the time. We've got these vents here, which you can direct towards the passenger and the driver. And here we've got all of the instrument cluster for all the buttons. So you've got the fan speed there, temperature, hazard lights, and this uses the J-gate, which, if you remember in one of my other videos with Baz, he was showing us how that works. So please check that one out as well. Got the armrest for cup holders, and then we can put some items in there for storage. Another kind of little cubby hole there. Then we've got the glove box there, and then we've got the electric window dials there, electric switches there. And with this being a convertible, what we've got here is I think this is like a wind resistor. So basically I think this actually can blow hot air, if I'm correct. If I'm mistaken, I'll put it on the screen now. So let's have a look at these wheels. So these are the stylish alloy wheels, and they are donned in Hankook, which are reading at 255, 45, 18. So these are 18-inch alloys. So that's the driver rear. Driver front. This is the passenger front and passenger rear. So this is where the convertible roof goes. It goes back there, so you've got some space back there. I think really suitable really for a child, if you're to put someone there in the back. Let's have a look at the boot. Thank you. Alright, so this is a boot. Look at it, it's quite a cavernous boot. So if you're going away for a weekend, there's ample space, and if you want to use it for golf clubs as well. So it's actually quite deep, and with Jaguars it's all carpeted, and yeah, actually very practical. Oh, look at this nice detail here, having the leather pull handle, so you can pull the boot down, or trunk if you're in America. That's solid. Look at that, absolutely sensational. Now let's look at the engine bay. So to open the engine bay, just pull it down here. badge there. Look at these kind of gills here, denoting it being the supercharged model. So this actually, like some other Jags which I've reviewed, actually opens up back to front. So it looks pretty cool like that, doesn't it, man? Look at that. Oh, there's that big 4-litre V8. Look at those size of those superchargers on there. So they go in there. And then got the air, that looks like the air filter. And then various fuses and fluids and stuff. I think that's a dipstick there. Stunning. And also, whilst we're here, I just want to say thank you to Trevor from L&B Motors, who's been kind enough to let me review this car. So it's not, I'm not getting paid for this. It's just actually one of my relatives bought a car from him, and he's very good. So I said I'd like to kind of help him out and film a video for him. So if you are interested in actually looking at to actually even buy this car, I'll leave a link in the description. So check that out, and you can actually purchase this car. Right guys, this is the engine bay running. So Trevor, this is 4-litre supercharged, isn't it? Yes. Oh, this is just an engine bay. Just an engine beauty. And guys, it's got a beautiful hum exhaust. That's on. Okay, give it a bit of gas. Yeah. That sounds really nice. I love this. I love the smell of the fumes. The exhaust note is beautiful. Actually been in a convertible, been in one, but never actually driven a convertible car before, so this is a first for me on a personal level, and a first for the channel. Oh man, I tell you, if I had the space, I'd have this, man. I absolutely love the sound of that supercharger. You want a car? Get up and go. This is a car I'd have. Absolutely beautiful. As you know, I've reviewed many Jags with bass. In fact, have a look on the playlist somewhere around here, and you can see, you know, I've reviewed about 10 of them. Jags are kind of low slung, so I think they suit actually this configuration of being convertible, two-door coupe. Tell you if you oh man, I'm just blabbering. So whilst we're here as well, I want to say a big thank you to Trevor from L&B Motors in West Orton, who was kind enough to lend me his car. Now, first of all, I'll just say I'm not being sponsored. I'm not being paid to do this. Basically, one of my relatives bought a car from him, and it's top bloke. So I thought, why not review his car? He offered, and I gladly accepted. So if you're interested in buying this car, and quite frankly, why would you not? Have a look at the link in the description, where you can see the contact details, where you can get in contact with Trevor, and potentially secure this beauty. Tell you, if I had the space, this would be on my drive. If I could imagine horsepower and 525 Newton meters of torque. So that is plenty to get up and go. Beautiful scenery behind me, countryside. Tell you about Supercharger does definitely put a smile to your face. Probably see I'm grinning like a Cheshire cat here.